Two Kingston men charged with murder and more in Highgate St. Mary. Portmore man shot dead while delivering furniture. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Two Kingston men have been charged with murder, wounding with intent, possession of prohibited weapon, unauthorized possession of ammunition, and using a firearm to commit a felony relative to an incident on Main Street in Highgate, St. Mary on Saturday, May 13. Dead is 39-year-old Shelton Watson, a vendor of Vincent in Highgate, St. Mary. Charged are 30 years old Duchesne Gentles, a vendor of Q Lane Kingston 13, and 37-year-old Rohan Garden, otherwise called Rugo, a truck driver of Lincoln Crescent, Kingston 5. Reports are that about 3:20 p.m. on May 13, citizens heard explosion in Highgate and summoned the police. On their arrival, Watson and another man were seen lying in a pool of blood with gunshot wounds. They were taken to the hospital, where Watson succumbed to his injuries while undergoing treatment. The other man was treated and released. Gentles and Garden were arrested on Tuesday, June 6, and subsequently charged after interviews with investigators. O'Shane McLean, a 36-year-old man from Portmore St. Catherine, was shot and killed while delivering furniture in his community on Tuesday afternoon. The Greater Portmore Criminal Investigation Branch has launched a probe into the daring murder. According to police reports, about 12 p.m., McLean was delivering furniture in the Portmore Park community when a grey motorcar drove up to him. A lone gunman exited the vehicle and opened fire, hitting McLean. The police were summoned and the injured man was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead.